Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial video on how to use sound effects extension presented by Elementor Pro. Let's learn everything about it. To bring sound effects extension on Elementor editor page, just click on Elementor Pro in the dashboard and go to the Extensions tab. After that, enable the Sound Effects extension switcher and click on Save Settings button. Then go to the target page and refresh the screen. You can see that we picked a button widget that will apply the sound effects feature. Click on the button for the options menu and you can see the sound effects option there. Now click on the sound effects section in the content tab, enable the sound effects switcher. Notice the element type field gives you 3 options to choose from. By default, it selects widget itself where the effect will occur. The event field decides how to trigger the effect, by click or by hovering. As for the sound source, you get 5 options including custom source. Let's check the sounds first. For the custom source that reads as local audio, you have to download audio effects first and then use it inside the widget. For example, let us grab a sound effect right now from a free source, selecting and downloading the file. Then upload it in the media library. Just like that, the effect has been set to the widget and it's working on hover mode. You can always go for the click to trigger option here. Let's erase the button and grab a Navbar on the page. Select the main menu for the Navbar and go for the sound effects option there. Turn on the switcher and let's select widget inner anchor tags option from the element type. And then just set event to hover and choose a sound. Now the inner options of the menu bar will fall under the sound effect feature. You can check it anyway. Now we'll try it on a contact form. Search simple contact form in the widget menu and drag it onto the page. Hit the update button to preview it. There, let's inspect the CSS overview of the send message button. Copy the CSS part of the code and return to the editor. Then click the sound effects section. Enable the switcher, change the element type to widget custom selector and paste the copied CSS class in the Elementor selector field. Now just some basic changes and see the result. Awesome, isn't it? That's all about the sound effects feature. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.